To drive.
Drive, drove, driven. Drive means to operate and control the direction of a vehicle.
He's driving a coach. He's driving it into a garage.
He isn't driving for the time being. He's leaning on a coach waiting for a client. The client comes and asks him how much it would cost to drive her to London immediately.
They negotiate a price and she pays cash. They set off to drive to London.
When we drive backwards, we reverse.
He's reversing out of the garage.
He will drive a part of the way and so will she. They'll share the driving because it's a long way. This driver keeps both hands on the steering wheel as he drives along the road. But he cannot drive with both hands on the wheel when he changes gear to drive round a bend. She drives badly because it is illegal and dangerous to use a phone while you are driving.
If there's an obstacle in the middle of the road, drive onto the pavement to avoid it.
Driving into ironing boards isn't very smart. It is always better to drive around them. Driving backwards, reversing up a hill, is not a piece of cake, but she drives well. He has driven coaches for over 20 years. He's driven 2 million miles in that time.